Yeah. I'm gonna get all these guys heading off. Where do you want to go first?
And try to hopefully get your cards drawn. But you'll draw 3 hands in Seward, and then the last, cards. The last card will be drawn in Shea Bubba in Goner, and that's in Goner. If you've not been there, find me or find somebody that knows where you're going and get there. You'll draw your last card there. Okay, the caveat this year is there were no jokers in this first card you drawn, but the rest of them, jokers are wild. So the 2 jokers in each of those decks are in there. So you can play the joker, make it whatever card you want, as long as it's not a duplicate card that you've already drawn. Okay.
So welcome back, everyone. Today we are doing a dinner ride, poker run. So we've got our cards from the first place, and we're heading off on the. I should have filmed at that first place when we got our cards, but I guess I'll do that at the other place. So now you have been how many weeks into your real estate?
Let's see. 4? I think it's 4 now.
So Noah is a new real estate agent in the city of Lincoln. So if anybody's looking for a house, you can go look up Noah Utter at the Home Realty. Looks like everybody's going here. We're all going to go to the same place. You want to go to the Civic Center first?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go up here to the next block and turn left. Or we could all ride there to the same. No big deal. Guess I'll wait on that one. I was going to swing it, but aha! Berkshire Hathaway owns both of them, huh?
Yeah. Home Services of Nebraska. We're both members of that.
Very well. Looks like you got a pretty good little bug splat there.
Yeah, it was one of those that you can see it from like a mile away. You can see it flying in. You just kind of don't pay attention to it, then it hits your helmet. We're going to the right?
Yep.
I'm going to hit that blinker.
Okay, we're going to turn in here. Hello, hello.
I'll wait for you.
You can do yours first. You get those then, huh?
Yes, sir. Go ahead and mix them up if you like.
That's okay. I'll pick one and you pick one.
Okay. 6 of hearts.
It's better with the same card. Or the same sheet.
Yeah. Okay, you can pick the last one too. I guess. Sis is gonna pick the last one.
Yeah, let's only do one.
Yeah,
So we can't
We'll do that one. We'll do the first one. Well, you can take that one, Noah.
Close.
For Was it clubs or spades?
Five spades. Okay, shuffle them all up.
Okay, so there's yours.
Thank you.
Yep.
Bye. Thank you.
You can pick all three. Perfect.
Good job, man. You picked it out again.
One on this card.
Well, they're not leaving yet.
Bye.
Okay, one more.
Dusty? Who has Dusty?
That's the crop hopper.
Alrighty.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
That's my favorite Disney movie. You're very breathy. Yeah. Okay, now we'll go down to the one. I wondered if he was going to do it with businesses or how he was going to do it for sure.
What are you talking about?
For this, he was going to,
Businesses?
yeah. That's the way they do it a lot of times, is they have you go to, for poker runs, is they have you go to businesses. Okay, better get on it. We're about to hit the yellow. I don't know why I can always miss my second gear. Gary's off riding by himself. Him and Aaron went and did a big ride out in the sand hills and did camping.
Yeah, that's what Caden did when he just went out to Colorado. He said he had one spot that was right by a big lake up in the mountains that he stayed up. I think it was in Estes Park.
That's what we should do sometime this fall.
Okay.
Go ride somewhere and I thought maybe we could go ride and do a big passport day too sometime.
Yeah. I would be cool with that. Now that I'm starting to get things figured out a little bit more in the business. We would have went up to Sturgis this year. I just didn't feel right about it because I had been
Yeah,
for 2 weeks and I didn't want to be like, well, you know, that was fun, but see you later.
I am planning to do Daytona next
I'm
year.
thinking,
I always forget it on this bike.
yeah, I know. Daytona next year?
Yep.
Yeah, that's in February, isn't it?
March.
Okay. Yeah, I think that'd be a lot of fun. I was talking to Caden about doing that this year, and he said he'd be alright with that, so just depends on the job. Did he tell you about that job he was looking at?
No.
He was looking into getting a job that he'd live up in Blair and just go to the Omaha airport every Monday morning, early, get on a flight and fly to wherever they need him to be, and he'd basically be climbing towers and working on towers all week, and then fly back in on Friday. Turn right here.
I could see him doing that.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, stop breathing into the mic, man. Move your mic. That's better.
How's it going, guys? Good.
Hey,
Showing your love?
We're working really hard.
How many you got?
3. We each have 3.
Can we mix them up?
No.
Alright, what do you got? Oh, Ace of Clubs. more parts. Four of clubs. He's got a pair of 7s, so that beats anything we've seen so far.
I have a pair of 7s?
Yeah, on one of them anyway.
Woohoo! A pair of 6s on another one. No, that's a pair of 7s and a pair of 6s. And a 245.
What do you want? I don't know. What do I want?
I don't know. What are your hands? I mean,
Well, he's looking at a 5 and a 10.
Both different suits?
Yeah, no, it's 5 of clubs, 10 of clubs.
I'll pick another club.
Pick another
That'd be
club, take
flush.
a shove it a flush, or pick a pair of 10s. That's what I would, one of those.
that'd be the good thing. It's probably, yeah, probably pick a 10 for that.
Yeah, I'll do 10 of spades.
There's spades. There you go.
Thank you much.
You're welcome.
Now we were off to the last stop before we go to the Bubba. It's actually down there by the pond, beyond the pool.
Oh, okay.
In a gazebo.
Ready?
Sure. Yeehaw.
How's that black visor working out for you, blinker?
I like it.
Can you see when it gets dark out?
No. Somewhat. I mean, I've used it and gone on evening rides, but I have a pair of safety glasses, basically,
Yeah.
in my
Saddlebag.
saddlebag. Yeah.
I've been thinking more and more about getting a bag like that with the saddlebag. Me and Jaden doing trips or getting a traveling bike because he's got more of the tour bike style with that versus.
You should try a long ride with that one. Yeah.
I just think the wind would be a little uncomfortable.
You don't think that visor cuts it, pushes it out of the way enough?
Get beat up and bugs. We'll see. I just gotta see what else is out there. In my opinion, I think he got that thing for the steel. Playing it straight up for a CBR F4i.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I still can't decide if I want to go to fix this one to a more of a bagger type bike, or if I want to just get a big road glide or something.
I think you should get a road glide first. You can play it a lot more.
Yeah. Works better when you're in front. We're all ending up in the same place anyhow.
You're going straight into the fairground.
Yeah, I believe so. Somewhere down here is a gazebo. You can probably see there. Yeah. Guess we all should wait around here and all ride to. I believe so. Swinger. You waiting for them?
Winning hands, here they come.
Those guys behind us, yeah.
Every card could be
Every card could be a winner.
Which is the better deck?
Yeah, it's whichever one you pick, right?
6 of spades.
You should add that one to the 6
And then
card.
10 of clubs.
Should have added the 6 one to there.
You can't change. You can't pick.
And 4.
4 of
Thank you. Now we're off to the Bubba. That thing's still, we gotta get that exhaust thing figured out.
Is this wind real noisy right now?
No, the wind isn't, just when you went. That was really noisy. I can hear you a lot better now than with that other helmet.
Really?
as long as you don't do that. When you turn your head like that, yeah, close your visor. Because that's when then I get a lot of. Blinker.
The highway, can you hear me good?
Yep. So that's the first time I've ever done a poker run. Go the other side. Get you in the face. Holy cow. I got off my seat on that one. I went off my seat on that one. Do you remember, was that bike, or was it this bike that I rode over here that one time when we ate? Or were you even with us that time?
What was this?
I don't know. You gotta be in front of me when you do that kind of stuff.
I'm gonna kick some rocks up at you.
Asher was out riding that little bike the other day and said, man, you don't want to shift down when you're going too fast.
Yeah, I know. I was like, well, what do you think is gonna happen?
It would just slow you down. Wah.
Yeah, check 965. We'll throw 5 hearts in there. Okay? And the next hand, you got a pair of 10s, so you need another 10.
Yep.
Another 10. 6 of clubs. You want to keep that guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, okay. Now we got a 10, 9, so yeah, kind of, yeah. Just random 9s. 9 of spades, okay.
All right.
Got it.
Many secret parties later.
You there? So we have just completed our dinner ride for the night, and we're heading on out to head home. Do it again. Hot Rod Noah. So, thanks for coming along. Again, let us know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, if you like what you see. Ring the bell. And we will see you next time. So, keep the sunny side up. Keep the rubber side down. And have an utterly awesome day.